Good afternoon, guys. Today I have a really interesting gadget to unbox, the Kirktech 6 series digital cable magnetic OLED version. The model is CMC 615P. This is not just a normal charging cable. It actually has an OLED screen built directly into the cable that show a real-time charging information. And the best part, I bought it from Taobao China for only $15, which honestly feel like a steal for this kind of technology. So today we going to unbox it, take a closer look and test it with some of my device. So first, let's take a look at the box. As always, the black scheme from a Cooktech. Okay, powered by Cooktech, nothing else. Here is the spec. This 6 ampere max, 240 watt max. So it's a very the model number, as you can see, CMC 615P. Okay, so let's go deeper. Okay, simple, no paper stuff. And here is the cable itself. It's the magnetic board, you can see up. Okay, and where is this? You can see on the cable 6 ampere. Okay, and here is this part. You can see the number 6. It's some texture at the end, and I think this is the screen. You can see the logo of Cooktech. Okay, inside the package you get the Cooktech braided magnetic digital cable, and that's pretty much of it. No paper stuff, but the cable itself already look very premium. It's braided. Okay, this cable come with a 1.5 meter length, which is perfect for desk setup, bedside charging, or even using inside the car. The build quality is also very impressive. It uses a high density braided design with the same 48 spindle weaving process used in the Apple cable, making it both durable and flexible. Now the most interesting feature of this cable is the OLED digital display. Okay, and it uses the ultra low power OLED screen with power consumption as low as around 0.03 watt, so it doesn't affect charging efficiency. Unlike many digital cable that only show the wattage, this one show voltage, current, and charging power, so you can actually monitor your device real-time charging status. Another cool feature is the magnetic design. This allows the cable to self-organize and retract neatly, helping prevent tangle and making storage much easier. And in terms of performance, this cable support up to 240 watt fast charging. That means it can deliver 48 volt plus 5 ampere, and sometimes the current can even reach 6 ampere depending on the device and charger. It also includes the e-marker chip, which ensures safe power negotiation between the charger and your device. So you get the fast charging while still protecting your device. And for the durability, Cooktech also claims some impressive durability tests. The cable has passed 10,000 bending test and 10,000 plug and unplug cycle, so it should last much longer than a typical charging cable. So now let's test it with some of my device to see what the OLED screen show. Okay, so now I connect it with my wall charger. Okay, this wall charger support max to 67 watt, but I don't think we need to test that high. So I bring my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 which charge around 25 watt, and let's go. Okay, let's see if it show the real charging current. Okay, you see it's right at around 22.5 watt. Okay, so for the screen it show both three component, which is great. Okay, let's test another device. Okay, let's bring my Anker power bank. Okay, the input and output support up to around 65. Okay, let's go. Okay, you can see the wattage almost reach 60 watt. Okay, so this is actually very useful if you want to monitor the charging performance or test different charger. So overall, for just $15, I think this is a very impressive charging cable. You get a premium predicted bill, okay, and the magnetic anti-tangle design, and the OLED charging display, okay, and it support up to 240 watt fast charging with built-in e-marker safety chip. So if you enjoy tech gadget or smartwatch accessory, this is definitely a fun and a very useful cable to try. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoy this unboxing, feel free to leave a comment below and share what your thought about this cable. And if you want to see more tech unboxing and gadget review, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.